back to my channel. So this is going to be a Walmart haul for you guys. This was an amazing haul, and everything you see here was completely free. It was actually a money making haul. So it was a $6.70 money maker, and I am going to explain to you guys exactly how I was able to get all of this for free plus make $6.70. So if you are interested, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so as you see right here, I have some Stay Free pads, some Pure Seal laundry detergent, some Pure Seal Pro Clean discs, so a container of Suave deodorant, some Beach Nut fruit and veggie melties, some Poise pads, some Poise liners, some bananas, and some Chobani yogurt. So let me go ahead and start over here. Okay, well, before I start there, the first thing I want to say, with this transaction, I had two bonuses. Okay, so first off, I had a bonus where I would receive $5 when I redeemed 8 offers, right? So that was the first bonus that I had. And then later that day, before I actually went to the store, I got another bonus on my account, and it was another $5 bonus, and I can get that when I redeem 8 offers. So that had never happened to me before. So I was wondering if I purchased 8 offers and if I was going to get both of those bonuses, right? When I did this transaction, I got both bonuses. I thought that I was going to only get one $5 bonus, but I ended up getting both. So I got $10 back total. With this transaction, I also used 2 gift cards that I redeemed. So I'm going to explain to you guys which gift cards I got also towards the end of the video. So I do not have my receipt, you guys, because I do not remember where I put it, but I do have, that's why I wrote this down so that I could try to remember. And then I also have some screenshots of the offers for these, so you will see those, and then I will also show you how much I got back. So let's go ahead and start with the Stay Free pads. So with the Stay Free pads, these are $2.72 at my store. Ibotta has a $1.50 rebate offer that I used. So $2.72 minus that $1.50 rebate offer, it brought the total down to just $1.22 for these Stay Free pads. Now, I must say, if you go to stayfree.com, you can potentially get a $2 off of 1 or $2 off of 2 coupon from their website, but unfortunately for me, I can't because I have already reached my limit, so I was unable to print off a $2 off coupon. But make sure you check, because if you check, I think it'll make these only, like, I think if I remember correctly, like 22 cents or something like that. Don't quote me on that, but check the website to see if you can print off a $2 off coupon, because I just can't right now. So with using that $1.50 Ibotta rebate offer, it brought the total down to just $1.22 for this 22 count of Stay Free classic pads. Okay, with the Pure Seal Pro Clean laundry detergent right here, this is priced at my store for $5.24. I didn't have any coupons to use, but Ibotta has a $2 off rebate, and the reason why I'm saying has is because the offer reset it for me, and so I still have that offer now. So $5.24 minus the $2 that I got back from Ibotta, it made this container of Pure Seal just $3.24, and this is the 40 ounce. With the Suave deodorant right here, this is the almond and shea butter scent. This is priced at my store for $1.97. Ibotta has a 50-cent rebate offer, so $1.87 minus the 50-cent rebate offer brought the total down to just $1.47 for this container of deodorant, and this is the 2.6 ounce, and this is the almond and shea butter scent. They do have another scent. I think it's some type of mint scent, but I haven't tried that one yet. With the Pure Seal Pro Clean discs, they are priced at my store for $4.94. Ibotta has a rebate back for $2. So $4.94 minus the $2 that I got back from the Ibotta rebate, it brought my total down to just $2.94, and this is the 16 count. Now, for both the packs and the laundry detergent, there may be some coupons out. I'm pretty sure it is, but I just didn't have them, so I just used what I had on my Ibotta account. right here with the Beach Nut Naturals Fruit and Veggie Melties. These are priced at $2.36 at my store. While Ibotta has a rebate back for $1. So $2.36 minus the $1 rebate brought my total down to just $1.36 for this bag of beech nuts. And this is the 1 ounce. With the Poise pads right here, these are priced at my store for $4.68. I did print a coupon from poisepads.com, a $2 off coupon from poisepads.com. Let me see if I can find that coupon for you guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, you guys, so this is the coupon that I used on the Poise pads. I went to poisepads.com and I printed this $2 off coupon. It says save $2 on any one package of Poise liners, not valid on 16 to 24 count liners. So this is the coupon I used. So if you would like to do this deal, just go to poisepads.com and print off this coupon. So they're $4.68 at my store, minus the $2 off coupon that I used, brought my total down to just $2.68. Ibotta also has a rebate offer for $2 back. So $2.68 minus the $2 that I got back from Ibotta made this pack of Poise liners just 68 cents. And this is the 48 count, which is an amazing price. Also, you guys, check Fetch Rewards because my account didn't have it. But I remember they did have a rebate for these Poise pads and liners. So just double check your account just in case to see if you get any points back. Okay. So with these bananas right here, and you guys, I am letting my bananas ripen because I am making a banana spinach muffin recipe. And the recipe requires my bananas to be ripened. So that's why they look like this. So these bananas, this is 4 large bananas. And for these, I paid $1.29. And coupons.com has an offer to where you can get bananas for free up to $1.50 value. So since I paid $1.29 for these, I will be getting back $1.29 from coupons.com. I did already submit my receipt, and it takes like a few days for coupons to send the money to your PayPal account. So that makes these bananas right here completely free. With the Chobani yogurt back here, I have 2 of the black cherry and I have 2 of the black berry. And these are priced at 88 cents at my store. And I purchased a total of 4. So 88 times 4 equals $3.52. Ibotta does have a rebate back for $2.44 when you purchase 4. So that's why I purchased 4. So $3.52 minus the $2.40 rebate that I got back from Ibotta, it brought the total down to just $1.08 for 4, or 27 cents each, which is an amazing price for these. Okay, it's because the regular price is 88 cents, but you're getting them for 27 cents. So that's amazing. And then back here with the Chobani Flip yogurts, my husband and my kids like these. So these are priced at 97 cents at my store, and I purchased 4. 97 cents times 4 is $3.88. Ibotta does have a rebate back for $2.44. So $3.88 minus the $2.44 brought my total down to just $1.44, or 36 cents for each of these right here. Okay. Now, let me explain. So I had my thing written down since I couldn't find my receipt. So you guys, when you add all of this up right here, all of these rebates up right here, it brought my overall total to $30.57, as you can see, minus the $2 off coupon, which is the one that I used for the Poise pads right here. So that brought my total down to $28.57 after that $2 off coupon. Then I used 2 gift cards, okay? So I used a $5 off gift card that I redeemed through Fetch Rewards. Remember, you guys, how I tell you to make sure you submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards so that you can build up enough points to redeem yourself a gift card. So I redeemed a $5 gift card from Fetch Rewards, and I also redeemed a $5 gift card from Shopkicks. And this was my first time redeeming a gift card from Shopkicks. So I redeemed a total of $10. So $28.57 minus $10 brought my total down to just $18.57. I got a total of $13.88 from Ibotta from doing all of these rebates right here. But then I got an additional 10 cents for the any item, scan any item on your receipt. And so that is why the total is $13.98. So $18.57 minus $13.98 brought my total down to just $4.59. Now, like I said, since I did have both of those $5 bonuses, I wasn't sure if I was going to get both of those bonuses for doing these 8 items, but I did, you guys. So it brought my total down to $4.59. So I also got back $1.29 from coupons.com. Remember, I submitted my receipt to coupons.com, and when you purchase bananas, you can potentially get them for free. The value is $1.50. So I paid $1.29. So I was getting back $1.29. So when I subtract that $1.29 from $4.59, it brought my total down to just $3.30. Okay. Now, right here it says got back $10 from my bonus, from $10 from Ibotta, from the 2 Ibotta bonuses that I had. So I said $10 minus $3.30, and it brought my total down to just $6.70 for this entire transaction right here, which is amazing. Because like I said, before I went in the store, I was only expecting to get back a $5 bonus, but I wasn't sure if I was going to get that second $5 bonus, and I did. So that made this entire transaction so much better, you guys. And I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this transaction, because you can go to stayfree.com. You can print off coupons for these. If you do have coupons for this period seal, use those. Poisepads.com to get some coupons for these. Go get yourself some free bananas. And this was just like some of the best items that I could come up with, and then all of these items will be used because I could put these in my bundles. My kids will eat this. My kids love bananas, and so this is a really, really great transaction, you guys. This is going to be pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you all are not following me on Instagram, my Instagram name is Saving with Shaniqua. I will have a link in the description box below. You guys do not forget to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. I will have a link in the description box below, and I will also have my code on the screen for you guys. And also with Ibotta, if you are not using Ibotta, I will also have a link in the description box below. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $20 when you make your first purchase, which is super simple. I will also have my code posted on the screen for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And with that being said, you guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.